Hey there, kitchen warriors! I'm Chef Safety, and today, we're diving into the heart of your home to uncover some sneaky dangers that might be putting your family at risk. We're talking about those everyday items you think are harmless, but could be silently wreaking havoc. Stick around because what I'm about to share could save you from a world of trouble. Get ready to see your kitchen in a whole new light. Let's start with that innocent-looking sponge by your sink. It may seem harmless just sitting there ready to help you clean up after meals, but in reality, your kitchen sponge is likely the dirtiest item in your entire house. Yes, you heard that right. It can harbor more bacteria than your toilet seat. Think about it. That sponge you use to clean your dishes and counters is a breeding ground for germs. That sponge sits there, damp and inviting, soaking up all sorts of food particles and grime. Every time you use it, it collects more and more bacteria. A study found that a single cubic centimeter of a used kitchen sponge can contain up to 54 billion bacterial cells. That's an astronomical number. Every time you wipe down your counters or wash your dishes, you could be spreading these germs all over your kitchen. It's like an invisible army of bacteria. Here's a pro tip. Microwave your damp sponge for 1 minute every few days to zap those bacteria. The heat will kill most of the germs. Or, even better, switch to silicone scrubbers that you can toss in the dishwasher regularly. They are more hygienic and easier to clean, ensuring your kitchen stays safer. Next up, let's talk about those seemingly harmless plastic utensils that we all have in our kitchens. When exposed to heat, these kitchen staples release tiny plastic particles called microplastics into your food. This happens because the plastic breaks down at high temperatures, releasing these particles. Every time you stir that hot soup or flip those sizzling pancakes, you could be unknowingly seasoning your meal with a side of plastic. It's a hidden ingredient that no one wants in their diet. These microplastics can accumulate in your body over time, potentially leading to health problems. Scientists are still studying the long-term effects, but early research suggests links to various health issues. Studies show that the average person might be ingesting about 5 grams of plastic weekly. That's roughly the equivalent of a credit card's worth of plastic entering your body every single week. Swap out those plastic utensils for wooden ones, especially teak. Wooden utensils are not only safer but also more durable and environmentally friendly. They're naturally antibacterial, won't leach chemicals into your food, and bonus, they look super stylish too. Plus, using wooden utensils can add a touch of rustic charm to your kitchen decor. Non-stick nightmare. Many non-stick pans contain chemicals called PFAS or forever chemicals. When you crank up the heat, these pans can release PFAS into your food. These chemicals have been linked to health issues from high cholesterol to certain cancers. They don't break down in the environment and they can linger in your body for years. Consider switching to stainless steel, cast iron or ceramic cookware. They might require a bit more elbow grease to clean, but your health is worth it. The silent killer: cross-contamination. Cross-contamination is a major concern in any kitchen, whether at home or in a professional setting. It's not just about using separate cutting boards for raw meat and veggies. It's about understanding the pathways through which bacteria can spread. This silent threat can lurk in the most unsuspecting places in your kitchen, spreading harmful bacteria. Countertops, utensils, and even your hands can be carriers. For example, the knife can transfer bacteria from the raw meat to the vegetables, which may not be cooked further. This can lead to serious health risks. Or, you might use the same chopping board for raw meat and then for ready-to-eat foods like salad. This simple mistake can have dire consequences. Foodborne illnesses can lead to hospitalization and even death, especially in young children, older adults, and those with weakened immune systems. The impact can be devastating. Around the world, foodborne pathogens cause approximately 48 million illnesses, 128,000 hospitalizations, and 3,000 deaths each year. These numbers are staggering and highlight the importance of proper kitchen hygiene. Use separate cutting boards for raw meats or proteins and produce. This simple step can significantly reduce the risk of cross-contamination. Pro tip: color code your boards. Red for raw meats, green for veggies, and so on. This system helps in maintaining a clear distinction between different types of food. This visual cue makes it easy to remember which board is which, and prevents any accidental cross-contamination. It's a simple yet effective method to keep your kitchen safe. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap for at least 20 seconds before and after handling different foods. Hand hygiene is crucial in preventing the spread of bacteria. Additionally, make sure to clean and disinfect kitchen surfaces regularly. Keeping your kitchen clean is a key step in preventing cross-contamination. Now that you know these kitchen secrets, you're armed to create a safer home for your family. If you found this helpful video, smash that like button and share it with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay safe with more shocking reveals. I'm on a mission to expose hidden dangers and empower you to create a healthier home. Leave a comment with your biggest kitchen safety concern. I read every single one. Let's keep the conversation going and learn from each other. Until next time, stay safe and happy cooking. I'll see you in the following video.